Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can convert an element in your pages and side projects on Framer into a component. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to side project, select the page inside your side project here in the editor. And what you want to do guys is left click into the given element. Let me go with this text box here. And after that you may also access it through the layers tab here. As you can see, that's the text layer. So what you want to do is right click into it and then choose the option here at the top, create component, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K. Then give your component a name like, I don't know, text component ABC. Click into create, and as you can see, components get edited through their own canvas. So click into create here, and that's it. You will see the text component now here. For example, you can navigate to it and back to the home section or home page here. And the components will also be listed inside the layers menu with that symbol here. And you can access it by selecting it here. They have also different color than other layers. And you will see also the component frame here. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.